Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Toyota Land Cruiser step by step. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Begin by lightly sketching the main body outline, focusing on its robust, boxy form. Next, establish the wheelbase and overall vehicle proportions to ensure your drawing is balanced. Finally, lightly mark the positions for the wheels and windows, keeping them proportional to the body. This initial framework is crucial for a successful drawing. Now, let's refine the body and add some key features. Carefully define the prominent fender flares and the distinct door lines, giving the Land Cruiser its characteristic rugged look. Next, draw the circular shapes for the wheels and tires, ensuring they are evenly sized and positioned. Then, add the front grille and headlight outlines, paying attention to their symmetrical placement. These details bring your drawing to life. Moving on, let's focus on the windows and exterior accessories. Sketch the window frames and side mirrors, making sure they align with the vehicle's perspective. Then, include smaller details like door handles and roof rails, which add to the realism. Finally, add the rear bumper and taillight shapes, ensuring they match the overall design. These elements contribute significantly to the Land Cruiser's recognizable silhouette. For our final steps, let's bring your Land Cruiser drawing to completion. Apply shading to create depth and texture, highlighting the contours and shadows of the vehicle. Add subtle details like tire treads, emblems, and any other small features that enhance realism. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try drawing it multiple times. Also, for some amazing deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.